Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and I just wanted to do a quick flip through. This is the first mini album that I've made, and I used the paper pad Mariposa from Die Cuts with a View, and I love this cover the way it is, so I didn't do anything else to it. When you open it up on the inside, there's a place to put a photo here. This opens here. This opens this way. Some of these are going to be hard to see. I don't have enough room. And then there's a belly band for you to put a writing card underneath there. So I'll probably come back and do that there. And then you go here. And this goes up here. And this goes up here. And this goes down here. And then this goes up here. So you've got lots of places to put your photos. Okay, on the next page, this opens up, and there's a space here, and then there's a big pocket right here, all ready to have a great big photo stuffed in there. On this one goes up, and this one goes down, and on this one, I was able to line up the pattern that goes around here. So this and this one were all, and these three were all from one piece of paper. And this is a pocket, of course. I think it goes that way. And this one has two doors that open this way, and then it opens this way. I'm pretty sure the camera's probably not even wide enough to see all that. It opens that way. Lots of space for photos. Then the next page has this big writing card that flips down. There's a pocket. This one lifts up. There's a place here. And then there's this, and it's a big pocket. There was something else in there, but maybe not. Okay, and I haven't glued the ends of these shut. I haven't decided if I'm going to do all of them or some of them or none of them and put writing cards in. So you can see these are still tubes at the end. So I haven't decided. And this one opens, and then this one opens, and then these are two tucks right here. You can tuck a photo up underneath the edge there. This one, I know this isn't as fancy as some of the ones you've seen, but like I said, it's my very first one, so I'm doing baby pages, sort of like baby steps. So this one opens here, this one's open here, and then you have the big card here with a place to put your photo. And the last page is similar, as in it has a large writing mat. You just turn the arrow to open it, and it opens here, and then just a little one there, and then this beautiful belly band is here, and then the rest of this paper here is here, and then it's cream colored on the back side for photos. So that's it. That's just a quick flip through of my very first one. And I am going to possibly put something here and put something in the front, but I haven't decided yet. And so that's how far I've gotten. And that's the flip through of the basics. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you see that even a beginner can make one that looks pretty decent, and you give it a whirl too. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.